First things first, I'm going to pick my quick selection, right click and choose quick selection, and I'll select the t-shirt. After selecting the t-shirt, I'll go to color adjustments and choose solid color. So I'll pick something like reddish and click OK. So I'll proceed to blending mode and I'll choose color. The next step, I'll go to color adjustments and choose curves. I have to make sure I click mask to the layer and choose point sample and adjust a little bit to make it realistic. And that's it. So the rest you can change color as you wish. Double tap on the color and you can choose any color of your choice. Alright, that's it guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to see more of this. Thank you. Peace.